Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to write a cover letter for a program manager position. In this YouTube video, I will write an application letter example for a job as a program manager. Parts of this cover letter can also be used for related jobs like program director or project manager. Now once you are finished writing your own version, I would advise you to download matching and professional looking resume and cover letter templates. Visit the link in the description. Okay, now before we start, let me first emphasize on the most important writing tips for program managers. First off, use a suitable font and font size. Calibri, Arial or Times New Roman with a 10 to 12 point font size will do. Now don't use novelty style fonts like Script Style, Comic Sans or handwriting fonts. Furthermore, keep a word count of around 300 to 400 words and divide the cover letter into 4 paragraphs. Secondly, personalize your cover letter. There are various ways of doing so. For example, know to whom you need to address your letter to and include the name in the salutation. Write, "Dear Mr. Robertson" or "Dear Miss Robertson." Avoid generic openings such as "Dear Sir" or "Madam," "Dear Hiring Manager," and especially not "To whom it may concern." Thirdly, do extensive research. For example, check out the staff page, read articles, or connect with people working in the organization via LinkedIn. Now, if you have a networking connection, you should definitely mention it in your cover letter. A personal connection is a great way to get your foot in the door. Fourthly, emphasize your most important program managerial skills related to the competencies. Key here is to match your profile to the job description. Now, do not simply list your personal traits and skills, but provide context in numbers, statistics, or results that you've achieved within the industry. At last, keep your cover letter short, concise and to the point. Maintain a tone of voice that is confident, courteous and sincere. And don't forget to thank the reader for their time and consideration. These are the most important writing tips for program managers in my opinion. Next up, I want to start writing the cover letter example. First, we start off by listing our contact information on the left side. In between white lines underneath, we put the date, and then the hiring manager's name and job title, followed by the company's information. As for the salutation, we write "Dear Mr. Robertson." For American usage, we include a dot after the abbreviation. For British English, you can leave it out. In the first paragraph, also called the introduction, you need to direct the reader's attention, show your affinity with their core business, and inform the reader where you found the job advertisement. After that, you inform the reader about your experience and skills to succeed in this role. Show some confidence and politely ask the reader to consider your application. The second paragraph is all about showing your motivation for their company and the job opportunity. First, you have to shortly introduce yourself, and after that you need to grab the reader's attention. For example, you can focus on something newsworthy or a real-life event that triggered you to apply. Key here is to personalize your letter and show the hiring manager that you did your research and are in fact motivated. In the third paragraph, you need to match your skills and experience to the job requirements. Thoroughly read the job description and search for keywords that are used multiple times. After that, you provide a comprehensive summary about your major personal attributes and skills related to the competencies. And remember, bring context in numbers, statistics, or refer to your references where qualifications are confirmed by your former employers. In the last paragraph, you briefly summarize your core message and express your interest to further discuss this topic with the hiring manager. This is an effective way to politely initiate an interview without directly asking for it. After that, you refer to your attached resume and include your phone number and email address so they can easily reach out to you. At last, you thank the reader for taking their time and consideration, and you close the letter in a compelling way. Write down "best" or "kind regards," followed by your name and surname. Okay, so we touched upon the do's and don'ts for writing a cover letter for program managers, and actually made an example letter of around 400 words and 4 paragraphs. Now don't exceed the 5 paragraphs and keep your cover letter on a one-page document. Alright, now if you want this letter or any of the cover letters on my YouTube channel in text format, then check out the link in the description. And that's it for this video. I want to thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. If this video was helpful, please leave a like or subscribe for more related content. And if you need more inspiration for writing any of the cover letter paragraphs, then check out my other videos. Other than that, Thanks again for watching, and until next time.